Hey everyone, welcome to my channel BugNoJutsu, where coding, anime, and gaming collide. In today's video, we're tackling an interesting and realistic Leetcode problem. Find the original type string I. Imagine this. You're typing a message, but you accidentally hold down a key too long, and it ends up repeating. This problem captures exactly that scenario, and asks us to figure out how many original strings Alice might have meant to type, assuming only one such mistake happened. Let's break it down with clear logic, real-world intuition, and a super efficient approach. You're given a string word, which represents the final result after Alice finished typing. But here's the catch. Alice is a little clumsy. She might have pressed one key too long, and that could cause a character, or group of same characters, to repeat more than it should. Importantly, this mistake happened at most once. Now, we need to calculate how many possible original strings could have existed before this accidental repetition. Let's walk through an example. Input. Word equals ABBCCCC. We see repeated characters. B is repeated twice. C is repeated 4 times. Now think. Maybe the word was typed correctly, no mistake. ABBCCCC. Maybe she intended ABBCCC, but held the C for 1 extra. Maybe it was ABBCC. Maybe it was ABBC. Or maybe it was ABCCCC, and she accidentally held B a bit too long. Since the mistake can only happen once, each of these variations is valid. We can only remove one repeated character from one group. That gives us 5 possible original strings. To solve this, we start with 1. Accounting for the original string with no mistake. Traverse the string and count how many times the same character appears consecutively. Every time we find a repeated character, like word of I equals word of I minus 1, we know there's a potential place where Alice could have made a mistake by pressing the key too long. Since only one such mistake is allowed, each repeated pair contributes one additional possibility. So the total number of possible original strings equals 1 plus number of duplicate positions. Time complexity. O of n, we traverse the string once. Space complexity. O of 1, constant memory is used. This is the most optimal approach, clean, fast, and super intuitive. This problem is all about pattern recognition, noticing repeated characters, and realizing we can only correct one of them. It rewards those who don't overthink, but apply smart, greedy logic. There's no need for backtracking or generating all combinations. Just count and you're done. A great example of a problem that simulates a real-world typing error, yet is simple and elegant to solve. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to BugNoJutsu, and turn on notifications so you never miss a Leetcode deep dive or an anime coding crossover. Have another approach or any doubts? Drop them in the comments. I always respond. Until next time, keep coding, keep leveling up, and remember, one bug at a time, we conquer the system.